Hello friends, welcome to Cygnus, the channel for heavy system users. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Reader issue in which when attempting to open a PDF file, the Adobe Reader opens and then closes immediately. So I will show you how it looks like. So this is the PDF file that I'm trying to open. So it just came and immediately closed by itself. So this we are going to fix this issue in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to show you three methods. In first method, we are going to just manually accept the license agreement of Adobe. And in the second method, we are going to uninstall and reinstall the Adobe Reader. And in third method, we are just going to use the browsers, either Chrome or Firefox, to open the PDF file. So let's look at how we have to follow method 1. So as I have shown here, you have to go to program files, and inside Adobe installation folder we have a file called eula.exe. So we have to double click that file and accept the license agreement. So go to your installation folder. It will be, if you have 64-bit operating system, you may have 2 program files, and if you have 32-bit operating system, you will find only 1 program files. So you can check in both the places, and you will find Adobe Reader in any one of these 2. So I have my Adobe over here. So double click Adobe Reader, and go to the folder called Reader. So this is the file we are talking about. You can also search the file, so you will find it very easily. So double click that file, and now you will get the license agreement. Quickly read it and click accept. So once you accept the license agreement, you can close this folder, and if you try to open, so most probably this will fix and your Adobe file, the PDF file, will get open. So this is the method 1. In case this method doesn't work, you can go for method 2. So in method 2, you have to uninstall and reinstall Adobe Reader. So go to control panel and programs. Sometimes the view will be different. In that case, you can go to category, and you can either go for large icon. So here also you can see programs and features. Else, if you are in category view, you will be finding it under programs. So uninstall a program and search Reader. So you will find Adobe Reader. You can right click uninstall, and once uninstallation is complete, you can go to Google and type Adobe Reader. So you can always download and install the latest Adobe Reader from any one of your favorite download site or from Adobe directly. So once you download the installation file, for example, if you download from FileHippo, you can click on this download link, and you will get the installation file, which you can double click and install. The process will be very simple. You will be able to do that. So once after installation, you can follow the method 1, in which we need to accept the license agreement. So once after that, you will be able to open. So for the worst case, in case you are unable to open your PDF file even after following method 1 and 2, we have alternative. You can always open the PDF file through Chrome or Firefox browser. So I will show you how to open that. So I have opened my browser, Chrome browser. So you have to press Ctrl plus O. So press Ctrl and O simultaneously, and we will get the open window, and there you can browse your PDF file and click open. So the PDF file directly gets opened inside your browser itself. So this is another trick wherein you can view the PDF file in browser itself. So it works both on Chrome as well as Firefox. So I hope this video is helpful. Do share your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching.